Namaskar. Yoga is more than just body movements.
However, for the beginners, yogasanas are the fundamentals. Here we begin with Tadasana. This is simple standing posture, but it is very effective in ironing out any discomfort in the body. Next, we go on to Vrikshasana. It is standing on one leg with the posture that is been demonstrated here. Next is Padmasana, that is the lotus pose. It is beneficial to hold a yoga mudra with the Padmasana. Next is Ardha Siddhasana. Here, the left leg is touched to the perineum, while the right leg is above the left thigh. Next is Vajrasana. This is the only asana that can be done after eating. It is very beneficial for curing the ailments of the stomach. Now we come to Bhujangasana. This is one of the most effective asanas to make the body flexible and agile. Now we come to the second part, that is the Sukshma Kriyas. Here we focus on our nose, our eyes, our neck, our throat, chest, hands. Take a deep breath and exhale. Take another deep breath and exhale. Take one more deep breath and exhale. Now on the sides, this relaxes the muscles of the neck. Remember to inhale while you go on the sides and exhale when come in between. Now a slight variation of the same. Again, inhale and rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. Inhale, rotate, exhale. Inhale, rotate, exhale. Now focusing on the nostrils, lock the left nostril with your thumb. Take deep breaths with count of 4. Hold with a count of 8 and release with a count of 4. Now a slight variation of it. Take a breath, hold and release. Take breath, hold and release. Now while taking a breath in this posture, repeat this for at least 3 minutes. Rub your hands as much fast as you can so that it generates enough heat. Now the hands should be rotated like this, and you will feel a sensation within the hands and a tingling kind of sensation that travels throughout the hands. Now take the hands apart and then closer, apart and closer. Repeat this for a few times. Now, exercise of the eyes. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Now left, right, left, right, left, right. Corner up, corner down, up, down, up, down. Now the other way. Up, down, up, down, up. Then rotate the eyes clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Take a deep breath. Repeat a few times. The breath should be such that the sound is audible. Now bend your back. The back should be bent while the neck is going behind. Now it's time for Bhramri. The sound should be coming out of your nose. Now it's time for Kapalbhati. Sit in Padmasana or Ardha Siddhasana and exhale fully with a thirst. And the inhalation should be automatic. Next, it is time for chanting Om. First, the A sound should be longer. Then, the O sound should be longer. Finally, the Ma sound should be longer. Now, we come to the third and last part, internal Sukshma Kriyas. So Hum meditation. Inhale with mental sound So and exhale with Hum. Chakra meditation from bottom of your spine to the top of your head. Then active deep relaxation Yoga Nidra. Deep relaxation and yet aware of all the mental and physical happenings.